chillin', she reckless. MB, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I done bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. No, I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, yeah.
Alright, once it's done, let it go off. Mine go to a warm, so it keeps it warm. And this is what it should look like. Nice, juicy meat and beans. And you have a nice steaming hot pot of 15 bean soup. I made some cheddar cheese cornbread with mine, with a couple other things. Bon appetit. Quick and easy. I like to try to pick all the bones out from the ham hock so you don't have that in there. But there you go. 15 bean soup. Very delicious, nice and quick. Ain't got to do nothing but throw it in the pot, put the top on with your feet, and already made dinner. I did add some other dishes with mine, but this is a perfectly good dinner by itself. So, hope you give it a try. Bon appetit.